Computer 4. Formatting tables. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to 1. Identify the tools used in formatting a table. 2. Define what a table design is. 3. List the components of a table toolbar. 4. Format a table by applying border and area. 5. Change the appearance of the table by applying an option from the Table tab. To modify the overall appearance of the table, you can apply one of the built-in table designs. A set of formatting options that defines specific borders, border style, border color, and area applied on the table. These buttons can be found on the Table tab and on the Table toolbar. A table design is the predefined formatting settings that are used to highlight specific rows and columns on the table. Header row. When this is checked, the very first row has a different background from the rest of the table, which could mean a different color, or a different shade, something to set it apart. Total row. Similar to header row, but in this case, it is the last row that is set to be different. Banded rows. These alternate the background from one row to the next to make it easier to read. First column. This makes the background darker on the first column. Last column. This makes the background darker on the last column. Banded columns. Like the banded rows, these alternate the background of the columns. The Table toolbar. This is a set of formatting options that defines specific borders, border style, border color, and area applied on the table. Table. This lets you create a table on the current slide. Border style. This controls the borders between cells, and lets you select the style you want. Border color, this sets the color for the cell border. Borders, this lets you choose where you want the borders to go on cells, such as only on the side, or just at the bottom. Area style, filling, the first of these drop-downs lets you select from color, gradient, hatching, or bitmap. Table properties, this opens a window where you can choose font, font effects, borders, and background. To change the background of a cell or table, 1. Select the cell or table. 2. On the Table tab, click down the arrow of the area filling. 3. Choose options from the area filling. To apply borders to a cell or table, 1. Select the cell or table. 2. On the Table tab, click down the arrow of borders. 3. Choose styles from the list. To apply border style to a cell or table, 1. Select the cell or table. 2. On the Table tab, click down the arrow of border style. 3. Choose styles from the list. To apply border color to a cell or table, 1. Select the cell or table. 2. On the Table tab, click down the arrow of border color. 3. Choose color from the color swatches. Practice exercises. This is the predefined formatting settings that are used to highlight specific rows and columns on the table. The answer is table design. This makes the background darker on the first column. The answer is first column. Like the banded rows, these alternate the background of the columns. The answer is banded columns. This sets the color for the cell border. The answer is border color.